Good morning everyone. Today we have Ananya Budakoti with us. Today she is going to give demo of single digit addition, subtraction and multiplications. Start Ananya. Make 5, add 6, add 9, add 3, add 2, add 5, add 9, minus 4. Your answer multiplied by 3. Yes. Next question. Make 7, add 8, add 5, add 3, add 2, add 6, add 2. Your answer multiplied by 4.
132.
Yes. Next question. Make 9, add 5, minus 2, add 7, add 9, add 7. Your answer multiplied by 6.
210.
Yes. Make 9, minus 8, add 9, add 3, add 2, add 3, add 6. Your answer multiplied by 7. 168 is the right answer. Next question. 6, 7, minus 3, add 2, add 8, add 9, minus 6, add 4. Your answer multiplied by 9.
243.
Very good. Well done.